Exercise 6.3, question number 2. In the given figure, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA and angle BOC is equal to 125 degree. Angle CDO is equal to 70 degree. Angle CDO is equal to CDO is equal to 70 degree. Find angle DOC, angle DCO and angle OAB. ABCD 70 degree, 125 degree. O angle DOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Angle DOC plus angle BOC is equal to linear pair is equal to 180 degree. Given angle BOC is equal to 125 degree. It's given, then DOC plus 125 degree is equal to 180 degree. And we are shifting this in right side. We get 180 degree minus 125 degree. Angle DOC, this implies angle DOC is equal to 180 minus 125, that is equal to 55 degree. We get angle DOC. In triangle DOC, in triangle DOC, angle DOC plus angle CDO plus angle DCO is equal to 180 degree. Sum of three angle of triangle is 180. And we get DOC is 55 degree plus CDO is given, that is 70 degree, plus angle DCO is equal to 180. And sum of 55 degree plus 70 degree is 125 degree. 125 degree plus angle DCO equal to 180 degree. And shifting right side, we get angle DCO is equal to 180. Shifting right side, minus 125 degree. 180 degree minus 125 degree, we get angle DCO, that is equal to 55 degree. We get second angle DCO, that is 55 degree. And third angle OAB. OAB. COB plus angle OAB is equal to 180 degree. Angle OAB plus angle COB is equal to 180 plus angle COB is equal to 180. Angle COB is 125 degree plus angle OAB is equal to 180 degree. This implies angle OAB equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. We are shifting right side and get angle OAB, that is equal to 55 degree. So angle DOC is equal to 55 degree, angle DCO equal to 55 degree, and angle OAB equal to 55 degree. Answer. Angle BOC is equal to 125 degree and angle CDO is equal to 70 degree. Given angle BOC is 125 degree and DOC plus angle BOC is 180 degree and DOC plus 125 equal to 180, and shifting right side we get angle DOC is 55 degree, and in triangle DOC sum of three angle of triangle is equal to 180 degree, and DOC we get 55 degree, CDO is given 70 degree plus DCO is 180. Sum of 55 and 70 is 125. Shifting right side and subtracting 180 and 125 we get 55 degree. We get angle DCO is 55 degree and angle AOB plus COB. Angle AOB plus angle COB is 180 degree. Angle AOB plus 125 degree is equal to 180. We get angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 125. That will be 55 degree. So we get DOC is equal to CDO equal to AOB. That is same 55 degree, 55 degree, 55 degree. Answer. Question number 3rd. Diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC intersect each other at point O. Using a similarity criterion for two triangles, show that AO upon CO is equal to BO upon DO. A, B, C, D and diagonal BD and diagonal AC intersect at O point. AC diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. ABCD is a trapezium and AC and BD are diagonals of trapezium which meets at point O. And AB is parallel to DC. Given diagonals AC and BD meets at O. To prove OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Alternate angles. Proof. In triangle AOB and triangle COD and triangle COD, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4, alternate angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, alternate angles. By angle similarity, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. So OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. So OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. Hence proved. Given diagonals AC and BD intersect at O, meets at O, intersect at O. To prove OA upon OC equal to OB upon OD, prove in triangle AOB and another triangle COD, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, alternate angle, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, that is alternate angles are equal. So by angle similarity, AOB triangle is similar to triangle COD and corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. So OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD, hence proved. Question number 4. In the given figure, QR upon QS equal to QT upon PR and angle 1 equal to angle 2, show that angle PQS is similar to triangle TQS. Given angle 1 and angle 2, PT, given QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It's given. To show triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQS. In triangle PQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, so opposite sides are equal. PQ is equal to PR. Side opposite to equal angles are equal. So PQ is equal to PR, and given QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. PR is equal to PQ, or QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR equal to PQ, where PQ is equal to PR. If angle is equal, then opposite sides is also equal. In triangle PQS and in triangle TQR, and triangle TQR, QR upon QS is equal to QT upon QP. QR upon QT is equal to QS upon QP. QT. QR upon QT is equal to QS upon QP. This implies QR upon QT is equal to QS upon QP. That is, angle 1 is equal to angle 1 common angle. So triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR, hence proved. We have given diagram TQR and PQS. Given QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Opposite sides, if angle is equal, opposite sides of side opposite to equal angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, so PQ is equal to PR. Give in triangle PQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given, so PQ is equal to PR, side opposite to equal angles. Side opposite to equal angles are equal, so PQ is equal to PR, and given QR upon QS equal to QT upon PR, it's given, or QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR equal to PQ. Side opposite to equal angles are equal. So PR equal to PQ and PR equal to PQ in triangle PQS and another triangle TQS. QR upon QS is equal to QT upon QP. That is angle 1 is equal to angle 1 common. QR upon QT. QR upon QS equal to QT upon QP. QT and or this can be written as QR upon QT is equal to QS upon QP. QR upon QT, QR upon QT, that is angle 1, and QS upon QP, that is angle 1 common. So angle 1 is equal to angle 1 common angle, and triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR, hence proved. Question number 5. S and T are points of sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. B. Draw a triangle PQR. And ST. PR and QR. PR and QR of triangle such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. In triangle PQR, angle P is equal to angle RTS. And to prove triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. In triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, angle P is equal to angle RTS given, and angle R equal to angle R common. By angle similarity. We get triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS, hence proved. In triangle PQR, angle P is equal to angle RTS, and to prove triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, angle P is equal to angle RTS, it's given, and angle R equal to angle R, both sides common. So by angle similarity, triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS, hence proved. Question number 6. In the given figure, if triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Given diagram. A, B, C, D and E. Given triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. To prove triangle is similar to triangle ABC and proof triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. So AB is equal to AC and AD is equal to AE. And AB upon AC is equal to 1 and AD upon AE is equal to 1. Dividing by AC, we get AC, that is 1, and AB upon AC is 1, and dividing by AE, AD upon AE is equal to 1. So in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, AD upon AE is equal to AB upon AC. AD upon AE is equal to AB upon AC. AB upon AC is 1 and AD upon AE is equal to 1. And angle A is equal to angle A common. By SAS rule, we get triangle A is similar to triangle ABC, hence proved. In triangle ABC DE, given ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. ACD. And to proof in triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD, AB upon AC is equal to AB is equal to AC and AD is equal to AE. AB is equal to AC and AD is equal to AE. If ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, then AB is equal to AC and AD is equal to AE. AB upon AC, dividing this by AC, we get AB upon AC is 1 and AD divided by AE, AD upon AE is equal to 1. AB upon AC is 1, AD upon AE is equal to 1. And in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, AD upon AB, AD upon AE is equal to AB upon AC. Proved, that is equal to 1. That is 1 and AD upon A is 1 and angle 1 is common, then we get by side angle side rule, hence proved. Question number 7. In the given figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at point P. Show that. D, C, B, A, E 90 degree and point P. First, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. In triangle AEP and triangle CDP, angle AEP and angle CDP each 90 degree and angle APE is equal to angle CPD, that is vertically opposite. Angle APE equal to angle CPD vertically. Opposite angle by angle similarity. We get triangle AEP is similar to triangles CDP. And second, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Angle ADB is equal to angle CEB. Angle ADB and angle CEB each 90 degree and angle ABD is equal to angle CBE common by angle similarity. We get triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Third, AEP, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Angle AEP is equal to angle AEP is equal to angle ADB each 90. is 90 degree, and angle A is equal to angle A common. By angle similarity, we get triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. And last, fourth part, PDC, triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Angle PDC is equal to angle BEC, each 90. Angle BEC is 90 degree. Angle PCD is equal to angle BCE common by angle similarity. We get triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Hence proved. Question number 8. E is the point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD, and BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. A, B, C, D, E, and F. E is the point on the side AD. E is the point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD, intersect CD at F. CD at F. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. In triangle ABE, ABE and triangle CFB, ABE and triangle CFB, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Angle 1 is equal to ABE in triangle ABE and another triangle CFB CFB, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 4 is equal to angle 3. Angle 4 is equal to angle 3. Alternate angle. By angle similarity. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Hence proved. E is the point on the side AD. E is the point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram. BE intersect CD at F. BE intersect CD at F. Then we want to show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB, this angle is alternate and angle 3 is angle 4. Alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. By angle similarity, we get triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB, hence proved. Question number 9. In the given figure, ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at V and M respectively. Prove that ABC is similar to triangle AMP and CA upon PA equal to BC upon MP. A, P, B and C. M is perpendicular and B is perpendicular. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP, AMP is equal to ABC is 90 degree. Angle B and angle M both 90 degree. And angle A, both sides common. Angle A is equal to angle A common. By angle similarity, we get triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. First part hold. And second, CA upon PA equal to BC upon MP. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. So ratio of corresponding sides of triangles are equal. CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. Hence proved. ABC and triangle APM. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP, ABC and triangle AMP, AMP is equal to ABC, angle M is equal to angle B, each 90 degree, and angle A is equal to angle A common. By angle similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. First part hold, and second, CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Then ratio of the corresponding sides of similar triangle are equal. So CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. Ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. So CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. Hence proved. Thank you so much.